Hello everybody, so today I want to quickly look at a continuation from the last lesson. In the last lesson we looked at the edge cusp node and we looked at how the exploded view will allow us to see those individual pieces that have been split up. Today I want to quickly look at how instead I can color code these so I can also visualize how they are separated without using the exploded view. So let's first of all shut this off. Let's turn that off. I just shook that, by the way, which will disconnect it. Let's go back to my edge cusp. I know that I've got this into two pieces. If I try to select these with a double click, there we go again. All right, I'm going to actually make more pieces here. So I think I will go into my edges and I will double click there, and then I will add a edge cusp again. All right, so now I've got two of them, and I'm going to do another one as well. Let me go back to my select, and this time, there we go, this one, and the same thing. Let's create an edge cusp. All right. So now I should have, I hope, 4 pieces. Let's check that. Select, and 1. Oop. Can we please select that properly? There we go. 2, 3, and 4. There we go. My tablet is not really reacting today for some reason. Okay, I can also use my exploded view, and then I can see those individual pieces. All right, cool. But let's take away that. I want to color code these instead, so this way I don't have to separate the pieces. And the way I do that is if I go to this little toolbar on the top and I click on this little kind of circular icon with a little kind of diamond shape in the middle of it. Let me click that, okay? And what that puts up is the group select, okay? That's not what I want. So I'm going to go into this select drop down and I'm going to select 3D connected geometry. Cool, I've got it. Now what I can do is if I want to select any of it, I can just simply click on the what's called an island here, and that will select for me the individual pieces. It's nice, and that's it. So it's really simple. This time I can keep my geometry all together, but I can see that each part is color coded. Makes it really nice. I can also change the colors if I want. Okay, so I can just click on the little button here and then select. I want a green one for that, accept. Okay, and so I can change the colors to what I want to. In addition to that, I want to quickly show you that this button here, I could also use the 9 hotkey, which will also turn that on and off. All right, any questions, please leave them below. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.